How to hide your Instagram followers list. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this video, I'll show you how to block your followers list on Instagram. Enjoy these types of videos on the channel. We've got other related content too. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alright, let's get started. I'm opening Instagram now. First, tap on your profile picture at the bottom. Next, click on the three lines at the top. Scroll down and tap on Account Privacy. Mine's currently public. To hide your followers list, you need to switch to a private account. There's no way to do this with a public account, folks. On public, anyone can see your friends, even if not connected. Private accounts let only approved followers see your content and follower list. If you want privacy and don't want everyone seeing your friends list, activate a private account by toggling this switch. Here, folks, it shows what'll change when your account goes private. If you agree, just click below to switch to a private account. Remember, you can support the channel by clicking the thanks button and donating any amount. Did you manage it? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.